One day, little Timmy sat on his sofa, editing a video for YouTube.
Alright, I think I'm done. Let me render the video.
Little Timmy renders the video. The video is rendered. Let's look at the video together.
Uh-oh, I think I missed something.
Oh no. He forgot something.
Ah, of course, I didn't put any sound effects on my video.
He forgot to put sound effects on his video. Now, little Timmy went inside his file explorer to look for some sound effects.
I don't have any sound effects.
Oh no, what should he do? Oh wait, what is that light bulb above his head?
I have a brilliant idea. Let's try to search online websites where I could download sound effects.
He searched online for websites, where he could download sound effects he could use on his video. And, he found it?
Yes, now let me. What is it? We need to pay to download?
Little Timmy needs to do something about this. Of course, that is to. Yes, that is right.
Control C, Control V.